give them prayer hands. Say what's up, America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
Hello guys, this is Raj Shivare back on YouTube and you are on the channel Learn Anything, where we always try to learn something new every day. Well, finally today we are going to start our pillow sessions. Okay, well this is a basic session where I will just introduce you with some basic commands and some command that you can use to identify the format and other things of the image object. So first of all we have to get our images, right? Well, I have already take the image, this one. So this is the image, and if you wanna get any other image that you have on a laptop or in a computer, then what you have to do is you just go to that folder wherever you have saved your image. Okay, and once you go there, suppose that actually I'm using this image, okay, to show you, to demonstrate you how you can get your image into the into use. Okay, so you have to go to the selected folder wherever your image is, and there you just have to drag and drop function. You have to use drag and drop function. You just drag that file to here, one item here. Wait a minute guys, I think some problem occurred. Okay, let's try it again. This is the file, okay. Now move to this, wherever your project is. Now here I have dropped it, and here you can see that move file C colon users ID OneDrive picture snapshot edit. Okay, move file. This is the file name and the path of the file to directory, to wherever your Python image project is, and then you just have to click on OK, and your file will be there. At least it should be there. Oh man, it will be there. Don't hesitate anything. Okay, so you can see that it is here. You just have to click on it, and it will open that file. Well, if you are doing it for the first time with any file, any image, remember that by the means of file I mean image file. Okay, whether it is jpeg, .png or anything. Well, it will take some time to open it, since we are opening it for the first time. Okay, okay guys, it just opened our file. Okay, with the name snapshot underscore edited .jpeg. Let me show you again how it works. Okay, so just click on the file, it will open it in a new window. Okay, now let's close them all. Let's again do this. It opened it. Okay, let's again, it opened this file also. So this is the files we will use. Well, you can use any other file of your choice. Okay, so let's start our session. So first of all we have to create a file, a Python file, right? So click on it, right click on it actually, then here somewhere must be a new function. Yes, go to new, then Python file. Remember guys that you have to right click on it. Now let's name our file as image library testing. Okay, image library testing. Guys, we are using PyCharm. If you wanna use IDLE, you can also use that. The code will work as it is. Now just click on OK. So here your file is. Okay, now it has opened the console and other things. So we can start. So first of all we have to import our pillow module, right? So import pillow. And let's run it first of all. run it, click on here on the run icon, run option, sorry. It will run the file in the console here. So you can see here that after running this, what we are getting is it is still running, I think. Yeah, it is still running. Well, it has shown us nothing, no error, right? That means we are good to go. But suppose guys that if you are using actually, okay, no module named pillow, that means it is also not working in this. Well, actually guys, what you have to do is you have to write from PIL import class, sorry, not class, import image and capital I. Okay, so now you may ask that why are we doing this? I mean, you told us in the last two videos that download pillow, download pillow, download pillow, download pillow, and now you are saying that from PIL import image. Are you mad? Obviously guys, this kind of question will be in your mind, but I want to tell you that the PIL is actually same as pillow, and it was actually for originally for Python 2.7.x series. Okay, and if you're using a Python 2.7. Not 2.7. If you're using a Python 3.x series, then you will have to write this code because the PIL, it is the original library. Pillow is the modified version of this. Okay, so the PIL is actually the original library name, and it was converted into, it was actually made for the better versions of Python, like Python 3.6, Python 3.5, like this kind of versions. So what do programmers actually did? They just took everything from the PIL, they bundled it, and they just make a module, and they just wanted it to work at any cost. They just wanted it to work, so they just give that name a pillow. They give a new name pillow to PIL. Okay, PIL means Python image library. Okay, don't get confused. What is pill? PIL pill. It doesn't mean that medicine pill. Okay, so don't think about that. So this is why we use PIL. This is why we use from PIL import image, not import pillow. Okay, because that will give you an error that no module named pillow. You can see here also. So now let's run it again and see whether our error is still there or not. I'm running it. It is taking a bit time. Okay, you can see that process finished with exit code 0. We did not get any kind of error. That means we are good to go. Now we can do everything we want. Okay, and remember guys that you have to install pillow. Okay, not if you google about PIL, you will still get the pillow module to download because it is the modified version of PIL. Okay, so let's start. Now we have to create an object, and by the object I mean to say a variable actually in the normal language. So let's say img image equals to um, image dot uh, okay. So this variable, the image variable, will actually contain the image, the contain our image, okay, our project image. So let's say we want to use a snapshot underscore edited dot jpeg file. So let's write it. So what we will do is image, remember that capital image, capital I, sorry, in the image dot open. That means we are calling a function named open from the class image. Okay, so here in this function what you have to do is you have to write the name of the file or the image file you want to use in a program or in your project. Okay, so give a quotation mark, quotations, and write the file name of yours, whatever the file name is. My file name is snapshot underscore edited dot jpeg, so I will write that. So snapshot underscore edited dot jpeg. Okay, so now my this variable, image variable, contains my file. Well, actually the correct way to say this is that we have created an image object for our file or for our image file. Okay, this is the correct. But for normal use, for the purpose of your understanding, I am saying that now our variable is containing the image. Okay, so now the variable is containing our image. Okay, so let me show you some commands, some typical and but useful commands. Remember guys, that these commands are really useful if you in really complex programs. So the commands are, let's say you want to get the size of the image. Okay, so what you will write is print, okay, then in the parenthesis you will write image, this time small I, image dot size. Okay, why did I write here small I? Well, because I am referencing, that means I am telling the Python to go to take this variable, okay, not to take this class, so that I can get the size of the image, okay, object, whatever the image you will have, you will get the size of that. So here the capital I means that Python have to search in the PIL, because the image is actually a class of PIL or of pillow. So here I have referenced my variable image. Okay, so once you do this, you just have to run and you will get the size of your image. So I have run it. Oh man, it takes really too much time. Maybe because my processor is a little bit slow. Okay. Okay guys, you can see here the file size is 1280 by 720 pixels. The first one is width and the second one is height. That means 1280 is width and 720 is height. So here we got the image size. Now suppose that you want to know which format the image is having. So what you will do is you will just print here, print image dot format. Okay, and remember guys that we are actually referencing our variable here. That's why well, I think you should use any other kind of variable, whatever soothing you. So now I'm running it, and now this format is actually a function of image class, not the image, not our image variable. It is of the image class, and you can see here that we got the result, and what we got is it is of JPEG format, right? So this is how we get the image format. And remember guys that will be really useful. Suppose that you have made an application which actually takes the screenshot or the which actually takes the pictures from the documents, then it have to understand which kind of picture it is having, or which size is the picture is having, whether the size is supportable or the format is supportable or not. So at that kind of moments you can use these kind of things. Okay, you can use it, and this really helps a lot in doing that kind of stuff. uh, this time I know that most of you thinking that what are the uses of this kind of thing, but the thing is that these are just basic commands that you can use anywhere. It just depends on your creativity how you use it. Okay, so let me introduce one more basic command. Now suppose that you have made a file. Okay, you have made a program. Now you want to show the what you yes, photo. You want to show the photo. So that means suppose that you want to show this photograph. Let me make it some small. You want to show this photograph. Then what? Then how will you do this in the program? Huh? Well, the answer is quite simple. You will just write image dot show. Yes, show off. Okay, then no parenthesis. Sorry, no, not parenthesis. No parameters in the parenthesis. Okay. Now remember guys that if you do this, don't expect PyCharm to show the image in this console. Okay, because this is just like a hardwired console that just gives you numerical and text outputs. Okay, it will not show you the image obviously guys. It is just a console. So how will the PyCharm show you an image? Well, it will actually show you the image with the help of the default program your computer is having. Suppose that you use the Photoshop, okay, to open the image. Now you made that Photoshop program your default program to open any kind of image. So what the PyCharm will do? PyCharm will make a temporary file of that of the original file, and it will open that temporary file uh, in the Photoshop, which is the default program of your computer to open any kind of image. But since I am not having a Photoshop, then and I am having Photos software, so it will open it in that software. Okay, so let's run it again. I'm running it. Oh, it is taking a lot time. Well, actually, guys, my system is a little bit slow. I have to do something about my system. It is running. Oh man. Okay, guys. So it has actually finished the processing, and it has actually finished the running sequence, and you can here see that our sizes has come, and okay, so it is actually opening the file. Okay, now here you can see that at the bottom the icon is of my application. Well, you can see here the name is Photos. Okay, the application name is Photos, and in this application it will show the file. So the thing is that the file name is the file size is 1280 by 720 pixels, and the JPEG format is here. And here in the default program of your computer, it is actually showing the image. And remember guys that it will give you a .bmp file. And the thing is that Photos does not support the .bmp file. That's why it is not opening the file. Stop guys, I think it supports it. I don't know whether it supports or not, but because whenever I try to run a BMP file, it just hangs up. I think this time it should do something. Well, it is showing us the message that it looks like the file was removed or renamed. Well, actually, this was a .bmp file and it was actually a temporary file. That's why um, it is not finding it. Actually, I think the Python removed that temporary file. That's why it is happening. Well, you can see here that the file name is like somewhat this tmpeq6ppx.bmp. It is not the actual name of our file, it is the name given by the Python or PyCharm. Okay, and since it is a temporary file, these kind of names are actually expected from the PyCharm. So um, you can hear how this is how you can see your image. And let me try one more time. Well, no, I don't think so, because oh man, because my coffee is what I just put that my coffee on the gas, and I think it must spread over the whole kitchen by now. And oh man, I have to go. So guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will post new videos on this thing. And if you have any question, or if you want to suggest me any kind of thing, then just comment and suggest me on the comment box. I will definitely read them, and you will get a reply within the 24 hours. And believe me guys, that I really read your comments and your suggestions, because they're really important for me. So if you have any questions, then just comment them, just post them in the comment box, and I will try to solve your problems, and I will try my best. I will give my best to solve your problem. So till the next video, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe guys, because I need your support. And if you like my video, then give it a like that, and if you don't like my video, then you can also give it a dislike. But I hope that you liked my video, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. I have to get my coffee. Oh no. Oh, bye bye guys. Oh man.